how to manage Explore settings on Twitter PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to twitter.com and log into your account. This is the home page as you can see. Now go right here, click on more as you can see. Now click on settings and privacy right here. Now click on privacy and safety. After you click on it, now on what you have to do is so simple. Click on content you see right here and click on explore settings. Now as you can see from here, you can manage your explore settings easily from here. You can show content in this location. You can manage your trends easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.